Rightio. So we're sitting in Babinda. We just did our part to support the community. We've spent some money at the butcher and then at the bakery.
And the grocery store.
And the grocery store. It's a good town actually. Everyone's really friendly. Yeah, I think, well, the bakery, the pie we had at the bakery was good. The
cream buns.
The cream bun's not as nice, but I don't think it wasn't like badly made. It was just fake cream and not the best dough. But nice spot, really awesome spot. I like this. And when they've got awesome free camping like that, everyone should try and support them, I reckon. So we're a bit unsure of what to do. We're going to head down to Tully. We'll either end up at the Tully Gorge, or there's a campsite nearby that you might be able to get into. But it's kind of deciding whether we go further down the coast to all these spots, or you go inland like a, yeah, first world problems to decide.
School holidays coming up end of the week, which is the main thing for going inland.
Yeah, that's right. So, and you have to, no matter how well you plan it, you have to zig and zag at some stage. So, I don't know, we'll just see how it works out. But not much to complain about really. So welcome to Tully Gorge campsite. So a bit of a scrappy day today. We're all a bit stressed and whatever. The kids are feral before. But anyway, we went to the Tully Visitor Centre. She was very helpful, probably the most helpful visitor centre we've been to actually. Heaps of maps and information, lots of things to do, lots of things to decide for how we head or where we head. Yeah, we don't book things in advance too much, but heading into town with no idea of what's going on, where you're going to stay, whatever, usually doesn't end well. So anyway, we're here now, 2 nights, and we will check it out. It looks pretty awesome. Couple of campers around, can't complain. What you doing?
Cooking my lunch after I've cooked everybody else's.
I know, you do a good job, don't you, hey?
Yeah, I'm starving.
And how are you feeling about today, babe?
No comment.
No comment. Was it a good day or a bad day?
It's just, it never works when you're trying to work out where you're going.
With the kids in the car fighting.
The kids in the car fighting while Aaron's standing around for half an hour trying to work out where we're going to go. And I'm trying to deal with the kids.
Why is it up to me? Normally you decide where we're going.
Because you wanted to obviously say, I don't know.
No?
Well, you were in there deciding. Anyway,
I went into the visitor centre to get some information.
Yeah,
and you stayed in the car.
On the phone to my mother.
Oh, there you go. So we're heading down to the river. This is the day use area. It's really beautiful down here. I will fly the drone as long as there's no one down here. Go for a bit of a look around. It's a shame that you can't swim. Apparently there are the odd estuarine or salt croc here, so not worth the risk. Apparently it's freezing as well, but it would be mint to have a bit of a swim. Anyway, I'll spin you around. So the watercolours, you can't see it, but it's a beautiful green. It's unbelievable. Little walk up here, and then you pop out on these rocks where the kids absolutely love. Lots of rapids. Amazing. Well, here we are. What a ripper spot. I'm sure the drone will do much better justice than I can.
So we are just walking down to Cool Moon Creek Falls. See what they look like. Apparently it's like a 50-metre walk from the car park, so pretty easy, hopefully. Actually, it is pretty cool. First of all, walking down, I thought it wasn't that specky, but it actually is pretty cool.
Wow, Ollie, come have a look at this. Audio Ponytail Falls. These look pretty cool in the photos. A little bit of a track down, let's see. Beautiful. So we've come for a look to see the rafters. We were told that after 3 o'clock in the afternoon the water released from the power station grows a lot in demand with how much power they need if it's going to be cold down south. But we're not sure when they're coming, so we'll see. Hopefully we get to see them. Should be cool. Well, after about 25 minutes of waiting, they're on their way. Here we go. No further past Daddy, alright?
Oh yeah, what are those colours just gonna go down there?
They're just gonna drive right off the edge, mate. You wait.
Dad, they don't get wet.
They will.
They're only getting
Or maybe they go down the far one. No way.
They will. Oh my goodness. Get a bit.
So we're just leaving camp. Everyone else is gone actually. We've got the whole spot to ourselves. Pretty good spot, really nice. I imagine it could be pretty busy on the weekend, but yeah, watching the clouds roll by, you can't really see them now, but really, really spectacular spot. Lots to see, lots to relax and enjoy yourself. Shame you can't swim. Well, I don't know, maybe you can, but I probably wouldn't. So yeah, we're going to head back into Tully. We don't really know where we're going to camp. We need to get some food around Innisfail, and we might check out Mission Beach and that, but the plan is to head west away from the busyness because it's school holidays. Where are we, darling?
We are at South Mission Beach.
You got to talk to the camera.
We are at South Mission Beach on the Kennedy Walk Trail.
So we thought we'd come and have a look on our way to Innisfail. We managed to jag into a small private property in Innisfail, stay there for a night, get some shopping done, and then we're going to head out and avoid all of the school holiday crowds, hopefully. But we might not be going out far enough. Up the waterfall. That's a bit crazy. Rightio, what an afternoon. So it's rained and rained and rained and rained. We camped at, it's a private property on Wikicamps called Helen something or other. I don't know how many people she normally lets here, but you can't ask for much more really. Like, we're just in a nice sort of paddock up against the cane fields, and I think it's normally $15 a night per vehicle, but they only charged us 10. Maybe they felt sorry for us with the rain. So it is crazy how quickly things change, right? So I drove in here really carefully when we got back from our shopping. A little bit of accelerator just to go up the back nice and gently, and it just rips holes. So I feel a bit bad about that, but like, you're literally walking over here. Ugh. Absolutely disgusting. So just draining my catch can because I haven't done that for a while actually. And yeah, the rain makes life difficult. I'll be honest and say, I actually thought that the dry season up this way would be dry. Like, it's quite surprising that they're still getting a fair bit of rain, and looking online they do get a fair bit of rain all year round, so it's not really the dry season if it rains. But anyway, it's all good. It's nice and warm, a few mosquitoes around, which is a bit of a bummer, but can't complain overall. Welcome to Archer Free Point, Archer Creek Free Camp I think. Magic little spot. We've got a wicked little campsite, just no sun. So dinner time now, we've spent the afternoon just sort of relaxing here. The kids need time to chill, get schoolwork done and let them run amok a bit, otherwise they just go nuts. So I'll show you our spot. Camped here, beautiful little river, absolutely gold. Ollie's down there having his burger. What you got for dinner?
Hamburger.
Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Delicious?
Yeah.
Is it your favourite?
Yeah.
Yeah? And there's some other spots over there. Hard to complain. So we're going to spend 2 nights here. We'll go and do the falls nearby and the hot springs, and then we'll keep heading out.
So we have left camp this morning and we are heading down to Big Millstone Falls. Cooper doesn't want to go and Oliver does, but we're all going. Oh no! No!
This is cool. will work.
Whoa.
Rightio, we're at the Millstream Falls Army Lookout. So there's some history here from 1942 where the Australian Army did a whole heap of training and whatnot in this area. Pretty interesting. So we're going to go for a walk, 45 minutes they reckon, see what we can see. What do you reckon, Mrs. Sarah?
About what?
I don't know.
What do I reckon about what?
The walk.
Oh, I don't know.
Turn around and give me your thoughts. Why are you carrying a school book?
Oh, because it was the only way I could get Cooper to actually want to do the walk. You want to stay in the car and do this. It's not actually schoolwork, but it's just a schoolwork book. But he hasn't done any on this part of the walk.
So on that note, with bribery and corruption, I told Oliver that if he finished his schoolwork early, he could go on school holidays early. So we managed to do it all a week early. So now he gets 3 weeks of school holidays instead of 2. And we might try the same tactic next term as well. Smash it out and then he'll be on school holidays for ages. Because I hate doing schoolwork.
Well, for lots of his books, he's almost he's done a fair bit.
How do you find schoolwork though?
It's not the most enjoyable part of my holiday.
It's terrible, eh? If I could not do schoolwork, I would. Ollie could smash through it, but he just doesn't like doing it. And Cooper's much the same. What did you guys think of the walk?
Daddy, you can do like a date.
You want me to be a gate again? Alright, go.
So where are we going?
This is Inot Hot Springs, and we're being tight and not paying to go and see the official one.
Yeah, so you can go to the caravan park and you can pay, I think it's $10 per person or something, and use pools that have been got the thermal water in them. But we're just going down to the river and I'm just using the free bit.
You like it, Ollie?
Yeah. It's muddy and dirty.
It's cold over here, isn't it? Where's it hot?
Over there.
Yeah.
Hey, it's hotter. Hey, it's getting...
Careful,
I found a
kids.
hot patch. It's even higher. Smell it.
So Sarah's been buying these things from the shops. I'll let her tell you about them. What are you addicted to these days?
This spice Taylor, I think Cooper's just full.
Take number 2. What happened, Coopy? Sorry, mate. You fell off the swing. It's okay. Do you need a cuddle?
Try
Do you need a cuddle? Take number 3. So our youngest fell off the swing. He's not a very happy boy. Anyway, tell me about what this is.
So we are having butter chicken tonight, and we have found we like the spice Taylor. Well, we've only tried one of them, which was the tikka masala, I think it was.
It was really good though, wasn't it?
And that was really, tasted like fairly authentic. So
where
I'm gonna
did you
try
get
the
it
butter
from?
chicken. I got it from Woolworths, and I always wait till the half price because then they're $3.50. And you get the spices, the base sauce, and then the simmer sauce, and just chuck it all in with your meat.
With rice and
then cook rice.
chicken. Delicious. Let's see. Good day. So we're in Mount Surprise. This is the Planet Earth caravan park. Just pulled in for a couple of nights. I think we're going to get a bit of washing done and relax. So it's been a cruisy afternoon. Took the kids down to the playground. Not a bad little spot at all. So yeah, $18 for an unpowered site. Plenty of room. Way down there as well. Toilets, showers, washing machines, everything you need. And we got a nice shady spot. Finally got the solar full again, which is good. So yeah, we'll go and see what we can find tomorrow. There's a couple of places you can swim and look around at. Maybe a four-wheel drive track to the top of Mount Surprise. And then I think we're going to head to Jardine River Station, see what they've got there. So happy days, can't complain, it's pretty nice here.
And jump! Oh, good try. We'll do it the other way because you can see it better. Ready, ready, and jump. Good. And jump. You've got to keep going though. Ready, and jump. Oh, nearly. Ready, and jump. And jump again. You gotta, and jump, and jump, and jump, and jump, and jump, and jump, jump.
So we've driven out to O'Brien's camp from Mount Surprise. Looks like a pretty good spot actually. You can camp here, $10 an adult, $5 for kids over 4. Yeah, it looks really well set up, and the river's just down there. And you can do fossicking for gemstones and stuff. Looks like you can hire equipment for $15 a day, which is pretty cool. But really good reputation. Lots of people saying that it's an awesome spot. So we were contemplating moving out here, but I don't know, it's about 30 k's of gravel, which is pretty good condition actually, from Mount Surprise. Yeah. We just went and had a look at the fossicking area where they get gemstones and stuff. Looks pretty cool. I think there's some pretty serious people that come out here and look for stuff, I would say, given how many people are camped and set up. So here you go. Campsite just up there. This creek's really deep. Like actually very deep. So I've just come for a look down at the creek, Elizabeth Creek. This is on the main road in, you drive over it. It's actually pretty beautiful. Having lots of fun, Ollie? Yeah. So main road and the bridge just there. And there's some nice shallow sections for the kids and a few deeper spots if you want to get wet. Not bad. It's been a different stay here at Mount Surprise. Not bad. Did a whole heap of washing, relaxed, caught up on a few things. Can't complain. So we'll head back to camp, get some dinner going, and head out tomorrow to a station.